Alibaba stock price have dropped 9% in one day, and Alibaba stock price have dropped 25% from its recent peak. So what exactly happened to Alibaba, and what can you do right now? Hi buddy, as this is a time sensitive video, I'll try to make it short and concise so that you can take immediate appropriate action right after this video. So let's go. As we receive some news regarding Alibaba stock price actually plunged 9% in Hong Kong stock market for today, and later when the US market open, most probably the stock price will be affected as well. So in this video, I'll share with you exactly why Alibaba stock dropped so much today and what will happen next. And lastly, what can you do now? We all know that a few weeks ago, China government has been pressuring Alibaba and Tencent regarding this anti-monopoly policy. However, as of today, Chinese regulator actually execute the policy and then pressure Alibaba further on it. And the Chinese regulators are in the process of investigating Alibaba. Basically, China targets Jack Ma's Alibaba empire, both in Ant Group and Alibaba. The Chinese government mentioned that if monopoly is tolerated and companies are allowed to expand in a disorderly and barbarian manner, the industry won't develop in a healthy and sustainable way. And because of this, shares in Alibaba fell nearly 9% in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And this is the main thing. Regulators have warned Alibaba about the so-called choose one from two practice, under which merchants are required to sign exclusive cooperation pacts, preventing them from offering products on rival platform. Which means, let's say there's a new brand ABC, wanting to go Alibaba to list their products. Alibaba will urge them, based on this article, Alibaba will urge them to sign an exclusive contract. That means if ABC products is going to list in Alibaba related websites, ABC products cannot list in other competitors' websites. So example, cannot list in maybe JD or cannot list in other platforms as well. And this is a concern to the Chinese regulators, as Chinese regulators want a fair competition in China itself. Basically, China kicks off antitrust probes into Alibaba. They are investigating Alibaba right now over alleged monopolistic practice. Furthermore, regulators have also asked to meet up with Ant Group, which is Alibaba's fintech affiliate. In my opinion, this investigation and this monopoly policy is very usual, just that the news like to exaggerate stuff. Because even in the US, companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, they are doing this every single quarter. You can go and Google and read up. Almost every quarter, Mark Zuckerberg, Amazon leaders, they are going to the court on and off to face the regulators as well regarding the same thing, which is anti-monopoly and antitrust and etc. So these are some examples of why I mentioned it is usual. Like Facebook, Google to face new antitrust suits in US, they are so used to attending court regarding this policy. And this is another example. Google denies antitrust claims. There's so many examples to prove that big companies usually face with this anti-monopoly policy when they become bigger and bigger. So in summary, Chinese government is really serious about this anti-monopoly policy. Furthermore, Chinese government suspect Alibaba have the so-called choosing one from two practice, under which merchants are required to sign exclusive cooperation pacts, preventing them from offering products on rival platforms. Basically, the Chinese government want a fair competition. And financial regulators will also meet up with Ant Group over a potential revival of the share sale, which is a good news. The Chinese regulators are considering allowing Ant Group to go IPO again. So what about my personal action? I feel that the anti-monopoly investigation of cases will be ongoing for years, just like Facebook and Amazon has been ongoing for years. And based on my own calculation of Alibaba intrinsic value, currently it is undervalued based on my own calculation. And I'm aiming to enter again as I'm a long-term investor. So to me, when the stock price drop, it's a good thing. I can buy it at a lower price and accumulate more shares to keep it long-term. This morning, after the stock plunge, I placed a limit order of Hong Kong dollar $225, but it was not filled at the end of the day. So I may place another order tomorrow. So this is my order for your reference. I understand that some of you have Alibaba Hong Kong shares and some of you have Alibaba US shares, but it is the same. No matter you hold the Hong Kong shares or US shares, we also have the ownership of the company, so it is exactly the same. If you want to understand how I calculate the exact price to enter Alibaba, I have mentioned in my previous video over here. so feel free to view it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you truly benefit from this video as it is time sensitive. Do subscribe to this channel so that I'm able to share more insights with you to profit from the stock market. I will see you in the next video.